Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, darling queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Maguinang, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Monte Province, La Union, Baguio City, Baisiha, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Sambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more, Mindoro, Lord, and down to Visayan shore, Permosi, sugar, coconut, and corn. Sa buhak ng mandawin buhol sa Malite Iloilo, Kapisaklan at Tigre, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Sikil, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, to the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, the Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Tawe-Tawe. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.